You cannot tell me that does not look delicious. For dinner tonight, I'm making a recipe that I haven't made in a really, really long time. We're making Tuscan Orzo. And then hubby's grating some chicken on the side. Okay, so here I just have one small onion that I cut up, and then just like 2 handfuls of spinach that I also cut up here. Then to a hot pan, I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the olive oil from the sun-dried tomato jar. That I'm gonna add in the onion. If you have fresh garlic, go ahead and add it in here. I'm just sauteing the onions until they soften up. All right, to this, I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm using these. They already come like in olive oil. I like the flavor of these, but they also come like in packs. So I've bought those too. I like to get the ones that are already julienne cut because you don't have to cut them up. Add as much or as little as you like. Honestly, I just eyeball it. Give it a quick mix. And then to this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of orzo. I'm gonna mix it all up, toast it for like about a minute. And next, I'm gonna add in my chicken broth. I'm gonna measure out 3 cups of this chicken broth. I'm using the low sodium one. Add in your chicken broth. And then you're gonna bring this to a boil, turn the heat down to a simmer, cover it, and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I know this is like a crime, but since I didn't have fresh garlic, I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder now. All right, it's boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, and then I'm just gonna turn the heat down. I set a timer for 10 minutes. I'll be back. Also, I'm sweating, I'm flustered. It is 1,000 degrees in my house. Bobby is literally on the phone right now with an AC company to see if like someone can come check out the AC. Like we also need insulation. It is so hot. All right, it's been 15 minutes. The orzo is tender, it's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the spinach. And then a little splash of heavy cream. I'm also gonna turn off the heat already. A little splash over the top. Give it a mix. The orzo's perfectly cooked. And then you could eat it like this. I didn't add any salt or pepper because the chicken broth already has sodium. The sun-dried tomatoes give it a little bit of saltiness too. And I'm also gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. If you're not gonna add in Parmesan cheese, then maybe, yeah, taste it and then add a little bit of salt and pepper. Look, my mom made a cameo.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry. The people wanna see you.
Oh, okay.
This is what it looks like. Go ahead and add more cheese. If you want it to be creamier, this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it covered until we are ready to serve. You guys, I tasted it. I added a little bit of salt and I added the rest of the pack of Parmesan cheese. It was about like half of the pack. Aquí nunca se sabe lo que va a pasar en esta cocina.
Go away your hair blower, your hair blower.